I'm Sabrina.
And today we're going to do salt crystal feathers.
But beforehand, you have to either boil or microwave water and add salt. And then you can either use clothespins or anything that could actually keep the feather up above this point. And so you can either stir it or you don't have to stir it. You can either use kosher salt or iodized salt.
So we have to put our salt crystal feather in water. And we start by filling our mason jars. Then we pour water into a pot and add salt. Boil the water until the salt dissolves. Keep adding salt until the pot forms a layer of crystallized salt. It looks like a bit like ice. When have you had that much salt in water? You know, it will work. In fact, it works quickly.
We'll be back to part two. So we've waited for a little while, and it's time to take feathers and let them dry somewhere else. We had it sit in a sunny window, which probably was sunny. I don't know. So now you just have to wait for them to dry.
Well, part 3.
So there aren't many crystals that have formed on this, and Raegan will show you that there is some sort of sign. But since it mostly didn't work, you can take the clothespins off and do whatever you want with the feathers. But still, there is some sort of sign of crystals that tried to